Super D.
Hello?
Hey, Super D, it's Steve.
Oh, hey, Steve. It's good to hear your voice. I'm glad to know you're still alive.
Yeah, me too. Anyways, I need your help. I just got home, and my brother has turned into a zombie, and now my house is infested.
Wow, that's terrible.
Do you still have the antidote?
Yeah, I can get you a mom burger.
Great, can you bring it by?
Sure, I can do that.
All right, man, see you. Oh, and bring me a gun, please.
Okay, we'll be there soon. Bye.
Thanks, guys, for coming.
Anything for a friend.
You got the antidote?
Yeah, here.
Ah, thanks.
Here's a gun.
Great. I got a plan.
Okay?
You take the first bedroom on the left, you take the first bedroom on the right,
Okay.
you take the kitchen, I got Ronnie.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Look out behind you!
What? That was weird.
Sorry, Ronnie. I hate to do this to you.
The antidote is the Mom Burger, which is made from 100% grass-fed beef and 100% mama's love.
What happened? Oh, man. What happened? Man, my head hurts. What happened? What's going on?
You were a zombie.
What?
Yes, you were a zombie.
But I'm back to normal. What happened? How'd you fix me?
You don't remember any of this?
No.
Super D had the antidote. I called him.
Wow. Awesome. That's great. What? You shot my brother! You're gonna get it now!
I'm sorry about your brother.
You know, it won't stop till that zombie's dead now.
You want me to help you bury him?
No, I'll take care of it.
Alright, man. Be careful.
He's moving! He's alive! Oh, good. We still have some antidote left.
Guys, there's a zombie base in that aircraft carrier. Let's go in there and take it out.
Okay, Super D.
There's zombies everywhere.
Next, we'll go to the flight deck, and then we'll go to the control center, because that's probably where the base is.
Let's go. There it is. Shoot the power source.
Okay, we've taken out the power source. Good job, guys.
Good job, guys.
Good job, team. You did a good job, guys. Let's go inside.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa, how did zombies get in the house?
We were just in there. How are zombies in the house?
There must be a door open somewhere. Is the back door closed?
Yes.
What about the garage?
Oh.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we'll go inside, we'll clear the house, but first we'll go straight for the garage, so we'll shut down the zombies coming in the house.
Okay. Okay.
All right, let me get my blaster. I got one over here. Are you ready, team?
Yes, we are.
Let's go! Okay, I'm gonna go to the garage. You cover me there. You check the laundry room and the bathroom. Good job, guys. Now let's go take back the upstairs.
Okay.
Go. Okay, you guys go clean your rooms. I'll cover you.
Okay, Super Dude. Wow, the neighborhood's filled with zombies.
Whoa! We almost shot each other. Zombies are everywhere in the neighborhood.
Okay, let's go clear the neighborhood.